Oh, hello everybody, it's lovely to see you again, and thank you for coming to do more maths today. If you come round and have a look at the whiteboard, then today we're going to be learning how to add ones to one-digit numbers and two-digit numbers. So first of all, I just want us to think about what a number bond is, and I wonder if you can just pause for a second and either have a little think by yourself or tell the grown-up that's next to you what a number bond is. And I'm sure you're absolutely right. A number bond is two parts, one number and another number, which we add together to make a whole. So in this example, my number bond is 3 add 5, which makes 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 all together. So my number bond is 3 add 5 makes 8. Now I'm wondering if you've remembered what we can do to those two parts when we are adding them. Can you have another little think by yourself, or maybe tell the grown-up next to you? You're right, we can switch those two numbers around, can't we? So our number bond can also be 5 add 3 makes 8. Okay, so each number 8 has two number bonds, 3 add 5 or 5 add 3, and they both make 8. I wonder if you could find a few more number bonds that you can switch the two parts around for. Maybe you can do that later on. Okay, so we're going to move on. Sorry, I don't have my rubber with me, so I'll just use my finger. Okay, and how about if we have a two-digit number? Okay, I've made the number 110 and 2. Let's write that down. 110 and 2 is the number 12, isn't it? 10, 11, 12. And to number 12, I'd like to add 4. So my number sentence is, let's just move the add down a bit. 12 add 4 equals. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to remember that I've got 110, and I'm going to write that down first of all, because we know, don't we, in a two-digit number, it's the number of tens which comes first. So I've added the tens, and now I just need to add the ones digit. So I've got 2 and 4 more. If we remember how to count on, it's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So my answer is 110 and 6, which is 16. Shall we try that again together? This time I'm going to make, let's make 17. Okay, so 17 is 110 and 7 ones, and I'd like to add 2 to that number. So I'm going to do 17 add 2, and I'm going to find out what that makes. So straight away I'm going to write down that I've got 110, and that's the digit that comes first in a two-digit number, and then I'm going to add the number of ones. I've got 7 add 2. So if you remember how to count on, it's 7, 8, 9. So I write down the second digit is 9 ones, and I've made the number 19, 110 and 9 ones. Okay, if you wanted to make it a little bit harder, you could give yourself 2 tens. You could make the number 2 tens and 1. So I would write that I've got 2 tens first and 1 1. So I've got the number 21. And if I wanted to add 5 to that, okay, 21 add 5, I would write down first of all that I have 2 10s, and then I would add the 1 and the 5 together. Now remember, sometimes it's easier to start with the bigger number, isn't it? So I could do 5, add 1 more is 6. So 21 add 5 equals 2 10s and 6, which is 26. Okay, maybe have a little go at a few of those at home as well. Now, for your main activity this morning, everybody, we're going to be having a go at adding some 1-digit numbers, and then we move on to a 2-digit number and adding some ones. We've also got some part-whole models here. All right, so if you remember, you read the part-whole model from left to right. So this is 2, add 7, and you put the whole in the circle at the top. Now you might find it easy. Remember, you can swap around an addition number sentence, so you might find it easier to calculate 7, add 2. All right, and then you've got another part-whole model here, 4, add 3, and find the whole. Okay, and then you've got some additions to do with your 2-digit numbers and adding a 1-digit number. Now it doesn't matter if the 2-digit number is second in the addition number sentence. You can still just write down the 1 10 first and then add the ones. Okay, so have a good try with that. If you're feeling really confident, you might like to move on to this question 4, 5 and 6. Okay, so you've got some different addition number sentences to work out the answer to, and we want to find all the ones which make a total of 16, 1, 10 and 6. And then we've got some addition here to do. Okay, so remember, since we've done plenty of missing number sentences, this is 8, add what makes 9. So what do you have to add to 8 to get to 9? 6, add what makes 9? What goes with 6 to make 9? So you can start at 6 and count on until you get to 9. Okay, and then for question 6, it's the 2-digit number again. So you're working with a number which has 1 10 and some ones. So good luck, everybody. Okay, I hope you get on really well, and we look forward to seeing what you've got up to. Take care, bye.